Nowadays, when you are hungry, you just pick up your phone and with a click, you fulfill something as urgent as hunger. Think about all this daily usage of things. What do you think makes it possible? Think also about how you begin to run helter-skelter when something you need is unavailable or when same-day delivery promised by a vendor is not fulfilled. We all have experience of this. Are you a business leader struggling with procuring raw materials or fulfilling customer demands punctually? Are you a policymaker saddled with the responsibility of promoting ease of doing business? Or are you an individual interested in understanding the art of moving things? In my inaugural lecture, I will share insights into the mechanism that makes it possible to get what you want, when and how you want it. Join me on the 28th February as I demystify the world of logistics and the interconnectivity it provides.